And he's going to make it someday because, see, this is in his head that he's going to be rich. And it's going to happen, but he got to be patient because you can't, you just, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is going to be successful someday because he has that motivation. One thing I can say about my grandson Michael, he is going to be successful.
Check, check. What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams, and I'm here with my baby girl, Ava. Say something, Ava. Say good morning. Say good morning, mama. Alright, y'all. So, we about to go ahead and switch it up a little bit. Listen up. If you guys listen to me, if you guys are tuning into this either live or even coming across this video, listen to me. You don't have to, pretty much take the voice that you're hearing, just out of your decision making, right? Because the information is powerful. Don't worry about the person. I'm just a messenger. No matter who it is giving you the information, right, Ava? Right? All right, I thought you had something to say. So, you just want to take that information and run with it, is what I want to say. So what I'm about to give y'all is it's $1 million information. All right, it's more than $1 million information. Just pay attention. It's a lot of things that's going on around this world that a lot of our people don't know about. All I'm doing is showing you guys, everybody, you, right, no matter who you are, right, how to not make money, right. I'm talking about generating wealth. You feel me? Because it's one thing to make money one time, but it's another thing to be able to have a skill set that allows you to, make money on autopilot. Autopilot just means that, like, hey, I got a Tesla, car, right? I can drive autopilot, right? It's the same thing with your money. I ain't talking about no 401k and you put your money into that thing and can't see it for another 60 years or something crazy. No, it's 2020, man. It's ways out here where we can, make a killing, right? You just got to expand your mindset first. Now, I know a lot of you guys been just, coming across this, not paying attention, whatever the case may be, right? And I'm going to get to what I'm about to say, and I'm going to keep this short. This right here is charts. We're analyzing, right? It's two sides of this. You can either be a manual investor, right? Or you can be a hands-off investor. You can put your money to work for you and not give a damn about learning this skill set on how to trade. And that's fine. Because some people are lazy, and they rather outsource it, right? And I'm speaking for those people, and there's nothing wrong with that, like I said before, but I'm speaking for those people because now what we have as a company, 120 Dreams LLC, right? We're now in pre-launch phase. Only the inner circle members that, have access to the platform has access to, I'm going to drop the name, 120 Analysis. Now, this is it's what the name is exactly what it is. 120 is just the brand, and the story of 120 Dreams and my story and everything, but analysis. We're analyzing the charts for you. We're, doing all of the decision making for you. Take open trades, we close them, and we do the whole shebang, right? And I'm not talking about me personally. No, we have actual, algorithm, software that trades for us. And when I talk about making money, I'm talking about generating wealth, because if you own or have a piece of the software, you're able to run this software and invest your money into it. And the whole goal is to be able to compound it, right? And if you're at that mindset of like, okay, cool, I can put some money into this and not have to worry about learning the skill set on how to trade myself, I can still reap the benefits of as if I was a day trader or an investor, without having to, take the time to learn the skill set. So for those people out there that's, looking for something like that, this is where it's at. If you want all the answers on, what stock to get into, or what trade to get into, don't worry about that. Just outsource it to 120 analysis. And like I said, we got track record on that, and I want to pull that up for you. Avery, while I do that, you got anything you want to say to the people? We got them live here on Facebook and YouTube. So I'm gonna drop the link in the comment section on after this live video, and give you guys access to this web page. Now, this is a little bit of background information on 120 analysis. Like I said before, it's we're generating wealth hands free. Scared money don't make no money. You can invest $100 into this, right? Besides the subscription to get the software, but you can invest $100 into your broker account and let the 120 analysis software compound your money. And it just depends on how aggressive you want to be. You can fully control all of it. And so let me show you guys a little bit more of what we got. So this is just a little video that we put up there for now, but this is a little bit of the software of how it looks. And now what I'm saying is, I recommend that you guys have, only thing that you guys need personally is Wi-Fi, right? And a Windows 10 laptop or desktop, because you want to have this software running, at all times. Because if it's making you money and it's literally a money machine, right? Wealth machine, then you want to keep that in the corner, on all the times, right? So it can, download you money, print you money, right? Because now you're hands off and don't have to trade. You letting 120 analysis trade for you. So this is a software we've been working on for years, and we weren't gonna roll it out until it was, at a level where it was able to be presentable, to the public. So, like I said, we're still, in a phase where we are pushing it out, to the masses real soon. So, a few people already got their hands on it. We've been getting great feedback on it. And me personally, I have the account, and I put the track record here. And like I said, this is, numbers don't lie. I don't care. I can say anything on this live video to y'all, but the numbers don't lie. And I'd rather you see that to make your decision on, I can invest into this. I can get this software, right, and compound my money, and it's a win-win situation, because at the end of the day, the price point is gonna be crazy. Now, we didn't do no Black Friday sales or nothing like that, because it's all strategic, I would say, and y'all gonna see real soon. Like I said, it's a no-brainer, because if you was to tell me that, okay, cool, I can see the results of this 120 analysis, okay, cool, this is what it did, right? Okay, if I put my money in this, what it'll do for me? You can look at this graph right here, and it shows you the track record, how long, how many days, how many losses, wins, everything, right? And you can withdraw your money anytime you desire to. So this is and I'm gonna say this live on YouTube and Facebook, because I'm that bold. I feel like, and real soon, because like I said before, we're always gonna improve and always adjust and adapt, like a Marine, adapt the 120 analysis to become better, to adjust, because the market, the reason why I say that is because the market is always different every year. The market always, as far as the conditions of the market, if you have the knowledge, you already should know that the market have different conditions and they move in a certain way. So you want to have this 120 analysis on point to be able to be in the same sync, in the same accord. So we're always on match with that, and I was going to try to keep that up to date. And I'm going to say this live, this is going to be way better than a 401k, way better already, because there's no commitment, there's no fees and nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? You just pay your subscription to get the software, and you can do whatever the hell you want with it. You can make $1 million if you want. You can do whatever you want with it, because you have access and the license to our software. And like I said, you can withdraw your money anytime you want to. So if you make $200 overnight or something, you cool with that. You can withdraw that. You can withdraw any funds that you have in your broker account, because like I said, you guys have full control over everything. You're talking to your broker account and the platform. There's nobody else into the equation but you. You have our resources, 120 Dreamers, right? Once you get inside the inner circle, to know how to operate it, to know how to better get a result with it. So that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna give you guys this information real soon. But this is a little bit of information on it. And let's jump back into the charts real quick. Listen to me. If you guys got any questions about investing or anything like that, I know a lot of people been hitting me up, and I kind of been busy. A lot has been going on, but like I said, you don't let life distract you. You know what I'm saying? You and your goals. So, still been grinding, but just kind of, adapting once again. So, if you guys got any question about investing, how to do it, maybe you might be trading a different platform. A lot of you guys are doing Robinhood, and there's nothing wrong with Robinhood. I had a few videos that was kind of throwing shots at Robinhood, but it wasn't. It was just like a clickbait, just to throw people in there, trying to get people to engage with the video. So Robinhood is very good. I didn't see, and I know people personally. That's this guy that I can think of right now. He probably up like 200,000 because he holds his trade. So you hold on to certain stocks a little bit longer, and you can still withdraw a little bit of portion of those profits, as it's still sitting there. And I would personally, and I feel like a lot of people don't. And the people that have got forex stocks and indexes and futures and everything a shot, they probably had some type of success, or probably didn't because they wasn't fully educated. A lot of people probably seen some money, but they wasn't smart enough to just take the money and go ahead and go home and say, okay, cool, this is real, right? Let me do it again, right? And that's what I said about having a skill set. A skill set is being ready to duplicate it. If you can do it over and over again, that's wealth. You know what I'm saying? Money is like you working for it. You know what I'm saying? That's making money when you working for it. You feel me? But wealth starts when you have your money working for you like a little soldiers. You know what I'm saying? And they duplicate. I think Ava's ready to say something. You want to say something, Mama? Say something. Yeah? Yeah? Alright, so like I said, man, I don't get on here and waste my time and give y'all no fluff or nothing like that. If y'all are so kind, I mean, please share the video. This is very straight knowledge to everybody. Everybody can pick up this resource, that tool that I just recommended. Like I said, going back to the charts, let's break these charts down real quick. But what we did was, and you always got to be thinking as a business wise, because the reason why we made that move to automate, because I was already in some sort automating my trading, and I'm not gonna always fully automate. I want to still have some type of manual trading, so I might have multiple broker accounts where I can manually trade while my 120 analysis machine is cranking out me money. So you can do a little bit of everything, you know what I'm saying? So if you think about that, it's powerful. So I'm going into the charts, and this is just the skill set of knowing how to mark up a chart or what to look for, right? So baby Ava just hit the space button, so she brought me to go, so I'll mark that up. So if we're gonna go from the top down. So overall, we're on an uptrend, and this can be a potential. See, what I look for overall is something like this. So we got a little bit of action over here, which explains the fall, right? Because we can only do two things. I talk about this all the time. We can only do two things in the market, right? And it can either go up or down. That's it. So we got a little W in the middle and an overall M. Boom. Sellers take over. Boom. Drop the market, right? But if you guys look a little closer, wait, even don't hit it. No. She's very busy. All right, so I'm going to take that once again. So look, now that's one M pattern. You see it? So boom, that's one M, right? So if we take it further down, boom. And then we go over here because now they came to revisit. Just give us more money. Give us more opportunity to see the same thing transpire. So watch this. The market will always do the same thing over and over and over again. So alright, Ava. You was very active, Ava. 7 months about to be 8 months. Wow, Ava. Time is moving fast, I tell you. Alright, so double top is what us professionals call it. So let me get this right for you. Alright, so Same thing might happen over here, right? So same thing may happen over here at this level, and that give us an opportunity as maybe short-term, long-term investors, whatever, to make some money. So we can get in here and sell the market when the when sellers kick in, and we can capitalize off this. Give me 1 second, y'all. Hold on. So we can drop down to a smaller time frame and kind of like bite off at this bigger move. So just spotting this opportunity can make you tons of money, because you, like I said, you can kind of tack at it, or you could just do multiple. You can swing trade it and day trade it. You can do a little bit of anything. Once you get the skill set of knowing how to actually trade. So if I drop down to a further time frame right now, and I've been breaking this down with some of the inner circle members, and I try to keep it very transparent at all times with what's going on with the trade. Is it a lost trade? Is it now still active? Because right now, remember, it's overall uptrending. Buyers are in control, right? So that means that I only want to be looking for buy entries. I want to be looking for opportunities for the market to go back up. However, once you get a little bit more advanced, you get comfortable with things, you can also sell the market. So you can make money either way the market go. So right now, the market is now making lower lows and lower highs, because now it's going back down. And the reason why the market moves in such a way is because the market, has money in certain areas, and we call them liquidity pockets or liquidity pools, or you can, make up a name, but that's what professionals somewhat call it, and we have evidence of where the money can be, just by looking at what we call candlesticks. So if I zoom in just a little bit, maybe that might help some of you guys understand the market a little bit. These are candlesticks. So you can change this accordingly to what you like, color wise. That really doesn't matter. But black is the sellers, right? And then blue is the bulls. So once you see that, it's just explaining buyers going up, sellers going down. So if we zoom out like I was, right? Because I like to see what's going on overall so I can kind of dig in. So we see that it's now going to a downtrend. And I'm not going to get deep into this, how I'm able to kind of spot where the market can stop, go, when I'm ready to get in and all that. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an idea of, like, just think about it. Wealth. And I think a lot of people get scared because they think, I said, we had did a little test too a while back. We said the word investing, and we went around and we just did like a questionnaire and just talked about investing. And as soon as we said the word investing, we got so many different face reactions and responses, because people have a different connotation about investing. They think that the first thing people think when they think investing is long term 401k, right? Don't lie. When you think of investing, what do you think of? What's the top whatever that comes to your head? That's generally what people gave us too, far as an answer. But I like to change that perspective, because if you stuck in that, then you'll never grow. And it's not true, for one, right? I wouldn't fight it if it was true. I will agree with it, but it's not. Meaning that people get on this, look, we got time frames. Time frames when it comes to trading, I'm trading Forex, I could trade an index, I could do anything right here. But with this one, we're trading a commodity, gold, right? Same thing. But I can go to a smaller time frame and I can make money now. I can make money today. Instead of, I gotta wait till I got some gray hair, I'm 60. You know what I'm saying? No, you don't have to do that. Even if you guys are older. Even if you guys are, at that age. It don't matter. Just listen to what we are saying works. The blueprint. I'm here for a reason. You know what I'm saying? I won't be here wasting my time putting my information out there or whatever the case is. I'm just speaking straight facts, So, let's see what we can find real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and hop off. I want to see if I can find a good setup for y'all. But yeah, if y'all got any questions, like I said before, feel free to ask. It might just be that one question or clarity moment you need to put you over the hump to get you to that next level. Cause like I said, man, everybody is at different points of their life, and I know that 2020 has been a hell of a year. A good year and a bad year. A lot of people say no, but I mean it's been a good year and I wouldn't even say bad, but it's been an interesting year, very interesting year. I'll say that. So just got to check on Baby Ava. She's quiet right now. All right, so see if I can find you guys this setup real quick. So we had a nice little. So this is one of the classic setups that we caught, and I wish I could show the Telegram, but I don't think it'll show up on. I don't think it'll show up. Wait, let me see. You guys, let me know if you can see that. I don't think you guys can see the Telegram on here. Nah. I was gonna show you guys the Telegram, and that's the inner circle member group. And like I said, I share some of my ideas as far as trades, and as they progress before they happen, I share that with everybody so they can kind of see why, trades are being taken and what decisions are being, made at that moment and why, explain everything so they can duplicate it. Like I said, I'm giving you the skill set to be able to learn how to make, generate wealth. I'm trying to stop saying make money, because make money, anybody can do that, right? You can go get a job or something. We all have that, right? Anybody can do that. It's easy, right? But what's the next, right? The next thing is, okay, cool, let me branch out. Let me take some of that money and invest it. Maybe into a software, maybe into my learning the skill set myself, right? And you got to begin to think like that, right? Especially if y'all got some families and whatnot, y'all need to start getting on y'all, you know what I'm saying? I was about to drop a curse word on him. But yeah, 120 analysis, man. Matter of fact, let me play this video for y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna break it down, because look, if y'all understand what the software is doing, it's trading for you. So this blue box is the beginning and the end of it. So once that blue box is activated, that means that it's now looking for trade opportunities. And it does this for you. So you can sit up there and watch the trades, or you can just go to sleep and just see the results when you wake up or whatever it is. This is literally opening and closing trades for you. So on this part right here, this blue box right here, right? What it did was it entered us into a sell position. So now we just took a take profit. Now, what would have happened was, if we would have had our take profit all the way down here, right, we would have took a loss. But that was like a 10 pip, 20 pip, take profit. It was very close. So that's how people are able to accumulate, wealth with this, what we do. They don't try to do the long stretch, for the most part. A lot of people do make wealth doing that, but a lot of people do make wealth, getting in and out of trade, but putting heavy money onto that particular trade. And that's what we've been able to implement with this. And I just let this, I just let the software speak for itself, So that's one day. And then it pretty much does like, it trades during a certain time. You can set up the trade at a certain time when the most money, the most traders, the most action, is happening, because that's when you make the most money. If it's a dead time, it's not nothing happening, no other traders are in the market, you do not want to trade. So it does all that for you. It knows when to trade, knows when not to trade, right? So we go into the new day, right? All right, so boom, new, blue box, right? New day, right? Boom, that quick, right? And that was a little spike. That was a fake out too. Generally, people get stopped out, but we had our take profit so close that we was able to get in and out, right? Boom. So market reversed, but we wasn't hurt because we had a strategic, sell stop right there. where to close take profit. We don't need a lot to make wealth. We just need a little bit. That's it. All right. So the software is doing all this for us. And look, I'm gonna say another thing, and I'm gonna be gone. I'm gonna give y'all this information to check out this software, and you can make your own decisions to invest into it. And like I said, it's way better than a damn 401k. I tell you that. We own this software. It's fully licensed to us. 120 Dreams LLC. You can look it up. Public information, right? So this software doesn't, enter you into just one trade. You get entered into 1, 2, 3. In this case, I don't know if you guys can see these lines here, these red lines right there, right? That was the first trade right there, right? Remember that fake out? That was like 20 pips. Boom. It hit, right? Hit the line. Boom. Take profit. It went up, created a double top, a little M right here, right? And then it went down again. And as it was going down, it entered us into the second trade. So now we're into that trade. And then we hit our take profit. 20 pips going down to the next trade. And then we just hit our third one. And look at that little wick. That wick was about 26 pips. We already hit our take profit on all three. So in one little drop, we made a lot of money. So you probably woke up to this result and was like, oh, snap. I made $150 in my sleep thanks to 120ANALYSIS. Right? Thanks for having this software. And like I said before, you have full control. You can withdraw the money anytime you desire to. Alright? So, let's see if we get another day in here. I'm just showing y'all. I'm just showing you what's going on. Alright, new day, right? So y'all can see the little lines in the orders that's activated. Right? So blue box. We wait. Boom. Look, now we're entered into a buy trade. So boom, boom. We in. Right? We out. That quick. Take profit. Because the market just went the opposite way. Boom, we good. And then look, to end it off, right? And this is the end of the video. But just to end it off, look at this setup right here. This is a double bottom, right? Market is about to go up. Buyers are about to take control. If you look to the left, the software already have some buy stops above here ready for it to, go above. So, I ain't got nothing else to say. 120ANALYSIS. It's just a new innovative way of generating, wealth hands-free. No hands. What's that song? No hands or something like that. I forget the name of it, but literally, this is where it's at. So, this is the next level. We taking it. Hope y'all been enjoying the live videos that we've been having. Like I said before, we're gonna try to switch it up a little bit. But I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this. This was like a home session we did with just breaking the markets down, man. Giving people the wealth and the keys to how to really do it. Because a lot of people don't want to see us win, man. And I heard a lot of people saying that, but it's really true. Especially where I'm from personally, a lot of people don't have this information, and I want to give it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want to just give y'all the information, but it's not gonna be free because we know that if I gave it to you for free or something like that, you wouldn't even take it serious. So why bother? So nothing's gonna be given. We'll just show you the way. We'll give you the blueprint. With that being said, I'm about to hop out of here. Y'all have a blessed Friday. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Y'all be freaking safe. And don't forget, man. Don't forget about y'all dreams, man. Everything else is cool. But don't get distracted. Alright? It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. I love y'all. Holla.